Hi, I'm Paula. To celebrate Chinese New Year, I'm cooking bao or steamed buns with a filling of barbecue pork belly, and I will sprinkle them with some spring onion as well. I'll show you how I'm making those. This is the final product. So you will need pork belly, then you will need to prepare a marinade with sugar, soy sauce, some spices. I'm using cayenne and I'm using jerk seasoning, and chopped garlic as well. In traditional Chinese cooking, you would use a Chinese spice. So combine all the ingredients for the marinade. The traditional recipe also calls for ginger, but unfortunately I didn't have it at home. Leave in the fridge for at least an hour, or ideally overnight. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Put the marinated pork belly in a roasting tray and roast for 20 minutes. After that time, turn over to the other side, roast for another 25 minutes. To make the steam buns, combine 300 grams of plain flour with 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 180 grams of lukewarm water, and a little pinch of salt. So you need to first activate the yeast in some lukewarm water.
Mix all the ingredients together to form a smooth ball and rest for 1 hour. Divide into portions to make the buns, then rest for 30 minutes. To make the sauce, reduce the marinade over a low heat for 5 minutes. Add cinnamon until syrupy. Spread a little vegetable oil on each individual bun and stretch them out. Steam for 12 minutes. To assemble the buns, add the barbecue pork, the sauce, and sprinkle with spring onion.
And now for the taste test. Buon appetito. To your health, happy Chinese New Year. It's so tasty. Very savory with a bit of sweetness. The pork belly is nice and crisp with a lovely sticky coating, and the reduced marinade is also tasting delicious. It's almost like a teriyaki sauce. It's so nice. The freshness from the spring onion really lifts the steamed bun altogether. It's absolutely beautiful. I do recommend you make it at home. And excuse me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well for more food recipes and other musings.